E from marketwizards.com and eminywizard.com. Just before 10 o'clock, Friday, 8th of November, 2019. Riding traders use risk capital you can afford to lose. Okay, the confluence really helped and worked for the short side overnight to come in and test the support lows. And we said the edge would go to the shorts if we opened up underneath the 86. And that edge is because we know that we're probably going to be testing the support. And then at the open, anybody that is short, we had said, make sure you protect your profits. Now, if you want to hold on and try to keep coming this way, you'll get away with that now and then. But the best odds really is to hit a bounce, especially coming into news. When news comes along at 10 o'clock, anybody that's had a good trade will probably want to protect it. So that gives a little skinny short right now to hit this bounce. May or may not work, and you don't want to overstay it time-wise because news is coming out. So anybody that took the convenient trade at the open using the rain line and yesterday's 79 lows as support should be coming up and trying to get to the half gap, 83.5. And obviously, if you can get the 85, 75 to 86.25, good for you. But that's the dicier part in the first rotation. And this is what I call the funnel right here between the blue line and the rain line. So that's the edge for the shorts to expect some profit taking ahead of 10 o'clock news right there. So this is the kind of open you can usually play either way. And you don't think about a big trade in either direction. First time back, usually hard to to bust the angel. We know where the middle is. We know where yesterday's middle is, right? Right here, it does 83.5. So we know we're in the pipe. Yesterday's low held. Good trade, up, up, up. Try to get to your 84s, 83.5, and then the good fortune above it. So typical rotation early. Anybody that's shorting, reminder, news coming out, and my suggestion is sidelines. Still neutral. And that's the way we like to play it and put a couple charts together to give you that edge. There's our weekly. And this is where we would expect to see a lot of the wheeling and dealing going on until that gets resolved. Resistance for now, support box for now, arguing box right there. That's just how accurate you can use this system. And then react as the news comes out and the market starts to move. "15-minute chart that we have suggested. Pivot point today, 85s. Green line, we've been chewing this a bit, so if you want to scale it back and take a look at deeper things, you can do that too. And then that will give us the idea of deeper support. And you can see why I've suggested this 72 is I'm considering as our support today. That breaks, anything goes down here. Sideline for news, protect your profits. And if you chunk it, which I advise doing, meaning hit and run, you're always looking for that, singles and doubles. Grab your 2 points if you can. Do it a couple of times a day and you got a business. Don't always be looking for the home run. The home runs are what get you in trouble. Try to understand the rotations. Grab something out of the rotations and just chunk it over and over. putting words together and make a sentence. That's the same idea. Too many guys get in trouble because they just are always looking for the big one, and then they're going to average in, and pretty soon they're in trouble. Just look for the smaller trades and try to guess where the odds are in your favor and take something. And then you're going to watch sometimes where you could have got more. But so what? This is accumulation. Stay in the game. Add to your coffers, add to your war chest. Then when the odds are on your side, you've got more that you can put into the trade for a small trade that you think has high odds. Half gap, one of the best trades in the book. Sideline. Natural magnet today, right now, is 81, we're thinking. And I've got 86.75 as the primary magnet. So below that helps the shorts. This line is your gap line right here. 86.25 to 75. So we're calling 86. And the magnet right now theoretically is in that area, just above it. So underneath that helps the shorts.